Hiya folks, JD here. And this week, as I'm sure you will notice, this is a slightly different video. I thought I'd go for something a little bit different, kind of just keep things as fresh as possible. So today, as you can see, we are flying around the place as we are doing the weekly update. Thank you to everybody for such a great week last week. I've got lots of changes coming to the channel and lots of changes that have already taken place. So these weekly updates videos may alter as time goes on, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. The whole reason that these may alter is just that it fits around work a little bit better, because I still want to be giving you guys a video every single day. So that's 8 a week, including this particular update video as well. But obviously I want to do it in such a way that I can put them out. I don't feel pressure to put them out as well, and that it all just works and you don't lose quality of video either. So what I've been doing is I've been working in the background, getting a lot of videos into the archive, getting some videos uploaded week on week, so that it just helps with the overall deployment of videos. I've also, as some of you may have noticed, the audio in a lot of these new videos is going to be a lot better quality. I hope that comes across. In some of the videos I've recorded from quite a while ago, that audio is still going to be not as crisp as this, but hopefully as time goes on, every single new video is going to be as nice and smooth as this is. So then folks, what have we got coming this week? Well, this week we've got all of this. So again, another packed week. These weeks are flying past, no quad pun intended. Absolutely flying. So we've got some unboxings, we've got some flight tests, we've got some technology stuff in there as well, all wrapped around. It all looks like it's going to be an absolutely packed week. So once again, my friends, thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for always commenting and giving me extra fresh food for thought and extra ideas. I really appreciate all of that. So until next time, my friends, hope you all have a fantastic week. Hope you all have a fantastic day as well. Look after yourselves, and I will see you very, very soon. Happy flying.